What's up, guys? It's Toasty back again with another review. This week we have the Cami Outdoor Wireless Security Camera. Right now we've got this for $59.99 at www.itstoasty.com. Let's not waste any more time and we will get going with this unboxing. Specs on this, it says that it is an outdoor cam. You can use it indoor. It's 100% wire-free, which is awesome. It's got 1080p HD video, free cloud storage, and advanced motion detection. Also, it does have a night cam, so you can use it during the day or the night. It's got great resolution, and let's see what's inside the box. The box comes with 3 smaller packages on the inside. In this box we have the Cami wire-free camera and the instruction manual envelope. Inside the envelope there are 2 Cami stickers, a Cami magnet with emergency numbers for the police department, fire department, ambulance, doctor, vet, and poison control, and there is also an instruction manual on how to set up your camera. Also in this box, you can find the rechargeable battery for the wire-free camera. Once fully charged, this battery can record for an entire month or up to 2,800 alert triggers. At the bottom of the box is the magnetic mount base and the wall mount base. The magnetic base provides the camera with 140-degree panoramic views. Cami also provides screws for the wall mount base. In box number 2 is the Smart Security base station. Before using your camera, the base station must be set up, added to your account on Cami Home app, and connected to your internet via your home network, router, or switch. Setup details for this can be found in the Cami base station installation guide. With the base station, you can connect an unlimited number of Cami sensors and up to 4 Cami wire-free cameras. You are also able to trigger theft alert sirens and optional siren alerts and push notifications through the Cami Home app. The third box includes the battery charger. This camera comes with a replaceable battery, a wall mount, and the USB cord required to charge the battery of the home camera. Guys, thank you for watching. That was just our review and unboxing of the Cami wire-free camera kit. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, say something in the comments. We'd love to hear a product that you guys would love us to review. Any tips, anything really. But seriously guys, this is a really good product. Really great if you're looking for a security camera at your home, whether it's indoor or outdoor. We're really excited to give you this deal. Like we said, only $59.99 this week only at itstoasty.com. If you are a first-time subscriber to our email list, you'll get an additional 10% off, which means it'll only be $54.99. And remember, get it before it's toast.